For the past 2 years or so, Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC or Securities and Exchange Commission, has made us become too versed with the word security, such that if you have been in crypto for 2 years or more, there is a chance you'd hear this word somewhere and probably think about XRP or Gary Gensler. So today I will explain what these words mean in the easiest way online. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Herve and some people just call me they or V, I would suppose. On this channel is where I bring you predictive analysis, research and tutorials to help guide you through this vast world of coins and tokens. If that's a type of content you find interesting, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with your notifications on so that you do not get to miss the next value-packed video like this one. I do have links to exchanges that I use in the description together with my Discord and Telegram channel. You may join these groups for in-the-moment forecasts, or if you have a question you can also ask me in the Discord group. So what the hell is a security? A security is something that you can buy or invest in, like a stock or bond, which represents ownership in a company or a government. If you buy a security, you are essentially buying a small piece of that company or government. Securities are basically a way for individuals to invest in companies or governments and potentially earn a return on their investments while helping those organizations or governments raise money for their operations or programs. However, there are also risks involved as the value of the securities can go up or down as well, and some securities are riskier than others. According to the SEC, for an asset to be regarded as a security, it must pass the Herve test. What is this Herve test, you might ask? The Herve test is a legal test that is used in the United States to determine whether a transaction is classified as an investment contract and thus considered a security under U.S. federal securities law. The test was established in 1946 U.S. Supreme Court SEC v. WJ Herve CO and has been used in subsequent cases to determine if various investments such as certain types of real estate ventures, partnerships and digital assets should be considered securities. Under the Herve test, a transaction is considered an investment contract and therefore a security if it involves an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of profit to be derived solely from the efforts of others. If all these elements are checked, therefore that investment is considered a security and thus must comply with U.S. federal securities laws. Commodities, on the other hand, are basic goods that are generally the same no matter who produces them, like gold, oil, or crops. These commodities can also be traded like stocks or other securities. Unlike securities with the SEC, the CFTC registers and regulates commodity futures and options exchanges. It is their role to protect market participants from fraud, abusive practices and manipulation in these markets. A key takeaway between securities and commodities can be seen from the Herve test. From this definition, we can see that Bitcoin is not a security as we don't have a common enterprise to generate profits from. Bitcoin was launched and gave everyone with a computer an equal chance to mine it, just like anyone with the proper machinery can mine gold. This is what I would usually call a fair launch cryptocurrency. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from it. If you have anything to add, let me know in the comments. Until the next video, stay safe.